देख रहे हैं जेवी टीवी।
नमस्कार, यू आर वॉचिंग जेवी टीवी। मुस्कुराइए, आप जेवी में हैं। Friends, we have a very special guest in our studio today. Her name is Dr. Barkha Khurana. She is from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic and have more than 13 years experience in education. Ma'am, we welcome you in our studio.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, please tell us about yourself.
See, I am a postgraduate in Masters in Physiotherapy. My specialization is neurological disorders.
Okay.
I have interest more in research work, and I have published my papers also and 5 books also.
Okay.
Apart from that, I was awarded in 2018 as a best academician. Then recently I have been awarded as the best best researcher and training personnel in a conference. It's a recent one.
Okay.
Apart from that, I have students who have been getting training under me for research. So, and all these things are available here in JVWU, where we can do research. And what I feel that most of the work I have done here.
Ma'am, tell us about the department covered under the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics.
Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics has 4 departments within it. First is physiotherapy itself.
Okay.
Second is medical lab technology. Third is radiation technology, and fourth one is the optometry department.
Okay. Ma'am, what are the characteristics of these departments?
See, as the name suggests, physiotherapy and diagnostic, all these are a part of our healthcare sector. And if you talk about the characteristic, all are job oriented.
Yes.
We provide theory training plus the clinical training in the hospital to the patients. We go for practical training for the students plus the basic things they should know, and overall development of the patient as a medical professional is done in our department.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, courses available in JVWU.
We have physiotherapy. In that we have bachelor of physiotherapy, diploma in physiotherapy, and integrated course that after DPT the person or the student can shift to BPT. That is the integrated one. In MLT we have bachelor's in medical lab technology. In radiation we have bachelor's program, and in optometry also we have bachelor's program.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the eligibility criteria?
See, if you talk about the bachelor's program, the student must be passed out from intermediate with biology as a subject.
Okay.
Then for diploma, the student must have been passed out from matriculation.
Alright, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the placement and job opportunities available in JVWU?
See, if we talk about this healthcare sector, it flourishes at a great speed. Everybody knows about it, and especially during this pandemic time.
Of course.
So, if a person goes out of this our university, he or she is a complete package for the healthcare sector. Why? Because the student is getting clinical training also, plus related to the theory that she implements.
Okay.
So they can work as independent ones, being an entrepreneur. They can establish their own setup, their diagnostic centers. Their physiotherapists can set up their clinic, or they can go for establishment of their setup in a hospital. Then if we talk about the optometrist, then she can go and establish her, open up her shop of the eye contacts, lenses and spectacles.
Yes.
And for the radiation, they can go anywhere in a hospital and work as a person who takes the x-rays, the imaging, MRIs and all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, any special suggestion or message for the viewers?
See, I would just say that Jyoti Vidyapith Women University is a university which provides many courses in healthcare sector under one roof. And not only this, that you are getting just a theoretical knowledge, but we have hospitals over here where we get the patients to work upon so that a student can use her skills for bringing up the talent out. So I think, and not only this, we will prepare the student according to the interest of the student. We have portfolios program over here. That is according to your choice. If you want to work for government sector, you can select the government portfolio. If you want to become an entrepreneur, start your own business, you have your talent and skills in innovation, you can opt for entrepreneurship, then we will groom you as an entrepreneur. The third one is the corporate. If you are interested to go into the corporate sector, you have that opportunity.
Ma'am, please tell us about the practical exposure of students.
Yeah. See, when the students is trained in theoretical knowledge, we post the students to the hospital as for clinical training, whether it is for MLT, radiation, optometry or physiotherapy. The university hospital gets patients from the nearby areas, and if you talk about physiotherapy, there are many old age patients who come for the treatment, and we provide them. Students get the exposure, and the patient is also happy after being treated well. Similarly, for medical lab technology, if they are referred for any kind of blood test or any other test, they go to the medical lab technology department, the lab over there, they get their test done, whether it's a blood test, stool test, urine test, and they get the report, and the treatment is then carried out within the hospital campus only. If you talk about optometry, the people come there, they get their eyes checked. We organize camps also for the regular checkup of the eyes in the adopted villages. And then from where we get the patients over here. Then, as you all know, nowadays backache, neck pain, these are very common.
Very common.
So when the patient comes there, obviously we ask them to go and get the X-ray done. That is done in our radiation technology department. So the students also get the exposure of the patients. They can use their skills for the patients, and the patient is then properly diagnosed and treated.
Very nice. Thank you very much, ma'am.